Bring your headlights back to life and drive safer at night with the right solution. Best Restoration Kit for headlights can remove haze, restore clarity, and improve visibility instantly. In this guide, discover top options that deliver long-lasting shine and protection. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. 3M Ultra Restoration Kit. The 3M Ultra Restoration Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to bring dull, yellowed headlights back to life with a professional touch. Designed with 3M's trusted abrasive technology, this kit effectively removes oxidation and buildup without harming the plastic lens surface. It includes a well-rounded set of sanding discs ranging from 500 to 3000 grit, along with finishing discs and protective coatings, giving you everything needed for a thorough restoration process. What makes this kit stand out is its flexibility. You can use it by hand or pair it with a standard household drill for faster, more efficient results. The step-by-step process may take a bit more effort compared to simpler kits, but the outcome is usually more polished and long-lasting. It works on various plastic lenses, including headlights, taillights, and fog lights, making it a versatile option. Overall, this kit is ideal for users who want a deeper restoration and don't mind putting in a little extra time for a professional-grade finish. Number 2. CERAKOTE Ceramic Restoration Kit. The CERAKOTE Ceramic Restoration Kit stands out for its long-lasting protection and simple application process. Unlike many traditional kits, this one uses a ceramic coating that chemically bonds to your headlights, providing durable UV protection that can last for years. The three-step system is straightforward, starting with oxidation-removing wipes, followed by sanding to eliminate deeper damage, and finishing with a ceramic coating that restores clarity and shine. One of the biggest advantages is that no power tools are required, making it safe and beginner-friendly while still delivering impressive results. The entire process typically takes around 30 minutes, which is convenient for most users. This kit is perfect for those who want a balance between ease of use and long-term performance, offering a reliable solution that keeps headlights looking clear and new without frequent reapplications.
Number 3. SYLVANIA Restoration Kit. The SYLVANIA Restoration Kit offers a dependable and easy-to-use solution for restoring cloudy or yellowed headlights without the need for power tools. Known for its simplicity, this all-in-one kit includes everything required to treat 2 headlights, making it a practical option for beginners and casual users. It works by removing haze and oxidation through a step-by-step process that includes sanding, applying a clarifying compound, and finishing with a UV-blocking clear coat. The result is noticeably improved clarity and brightness, which directly enhances nighttime visibility and driving safety. What sets this kit apart is its exclusive UV coating, designed to protect headlights from future damage caused by sunlight and environmental exposure. While the process requires some manual efforts, it remains straightforward and manageable for most users. This kit is particularly suitable for those who want a reliable restoration without investing in tools or complicated procedures. Overall, it delivers consistent performance and restores headlights to a clean, like-new appearance. Number 4. Toretark Restoration Kit. The Toretark Restoration Kit takes a different approach by eliminating the need for sanding or grinding, making it one of the easiest options available. Instead of traditional abrasion, it uses a spray and wipe formula combined with a ceramic coating that bonds to the headlight surface. This makes the process fast, simple, and much less labor-intensive compared to multi-step kits. It's especially appealing for users who want quick results without risking damage to the protective layer of their headlights. The ceramic coating forms a hard, durable layer that not only restores clarity, but also helps resist scratches and everyday wear. While it may not provide as deep a restoration as sanding-based kits for heavily oxidized lenses, it performs well for mild to moderate issues. The kit also offers multiple applications, extending its value over time. Overall, it's a great option for those who prioritize convenience and want an easy maintenance solution to keep their headlights looking clean and bright. Number 5. Chemical Guys Restoration Kit. The Chemical Guys Restoration Kit is a well-balanced option that combines ease of use with effective results. Designed to tackle cloudy and yellowed headlights, it works by removing oxidation and restoring clarity through a simple process that can be done by hand or with a machine. The formula is gentle yet effective, avoiding harsh abrasives while still delivering noticeable improvements in appearance and light output. This makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to car enthusiasts. One of its strengths is the protective layer it leaves behind, helping to prevent future fading and discoloration caused by sunlight and environmental exposure. It can also be used on other plastic surfaces like taillights and trim, adding to its versatility. The overall process is straightforward and doesn't require advanced tools or skills, making it convenient for regular maintenance. This kit is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly solution to keep their vehicle's lights clear and well-maintained. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon